Welcome back another video. This video I'll talking about Prince Tunku Ismail Idris complete biography and lifestyle in details. Presenting Prince Tunku Ismail Idris lifestyle and more info. So let's know in details about biography. Tunku Ismail Idris, Crown Prince of Johor. His full real name is Tunku Ismail Idris Abdulaziz Abu Bakr Iskandar Ibn Tunku Ibrahim Ismail. Prince Tunku Ismail date of birth is 30 of June 1984. And his birthplace Grand Palace of Johor, Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Prince Tunku Ismail currently is 37 years old as of 2021. He has a dark-brown hair color with a black eyes. He is a Malaysian by his nationality. Prince Tunku Ismail is an army officer by his occupation. Religion Islam. Tunku Ismail Idris is the Crown Prince of Johor, heir apparent and first in the line of succession to the throne of Johor. He is the eldest son of the current Sultan of Johor, Sultan Ibrahim Ismail, and his consort, Primary Shari of Johor, Raja Jarit Sophia. The Football Association of Malaysia (FAM) have appointed the Tunku Ismail Sultan Ibrahim as an advisor to the current FAM president. Tunku Ismail Idris is appointed as the new president of Johor Football Association (PBNJ). Tunku Ismail is currently serving as the officer of the Indian Army. Now talk about his education. Tunku Ismail completed his early education at Sekolah Sri Utama and Sekolah Rendah Kebangsaan, St. Joseph in Johor Bahru. He subsequently received secondary education at the Australian International School in Singapore and proceeded his higher study at Hull School in Perth, Western Australia until 2002. Now talk about family. His father name is Sultan Ibrahim Ismail and his mother name Raja Jarit Sophia. Her sister name is Tunku Tun Aminaho Mainuna Iskandaria and his brother name Tunku Abdul Jalil. Wife Chepun Khaleda Bastema married 2014. On 24 of October 2014, Tunku Ismail married 21 years old Chepun Khaleda Bastemam at Istana Bukit Siri in private ceremony. The royal wedding took place at the Istana Besar. The couple's first child, Tunku Khalsum Amina Sophia. Their second child, Tunku Iskandra Abdul Jalil Abu Bakr Ibrahim. A third child and second son, Tunku Abu Bakr Ibrahim. A fourth child and second daughter, Tunku Jarat Ajia. Now talk about unknown facts. Tunku Ismail aspired for a career in the Indian Armed Forces. In July 2003, he enrolled as a cadet officer in the Indian Army Academy (IMA). He is the first ever Malaysian royal to join the Indian Armed Forces. The prince is also a sports car enthusiast, all of his cars under the same license plate TMJ. He is also a polo player for his regiment and his own many trophies. In football, he is president of Johor FC. Car collections. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates.